Geez, we have been out here a long time.
Long time.
Yeah.
Several minutes now.
At least, you know. I don't know. We do this a lot. We come out here looking for the great Randolph bird. I don't know.
Yeah. He's somewhere in these woods.
Somewhere.
I'm pretty sure. Once we get out of my backyard.
Yeah. Definitely. I can't wait to catch this bird.
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
Yeah, I'm gonna barbecue it.
Yeah, barbecue with slather some sauce between
Yep.
the wings.
Some Saucemans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ranch, perhaps.
It'll probably be a world record for the most barbecue sauce ever put on a bird. Cool.
This is a good park.
I love this park.
Yep. Ray Romano Memorial.
Yeah, it was so bad that he died.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one bird got him.
Yeah, the Great Randolph.
The Great Randolph. That's what it
Yeah.
was. Yeah.
Yeah. But they should make a TV show that Ray Romano stars in about killer birds.
Oh yeah. He could kill the bird. Oh.
Oh, he's dead though.
Yeah.
It's ironic, you know,
Because he died from a bird death,
Yeah.
and now we're out here trying to kill the bird.
Is that technically what they call it? Bird death? Is that
bird
what
death?
they-
Yeah.
Bird death.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Then they just started calling it bird flu.
Bird flu. Yeah.
That's funny.
That is funny.
Flu, like birds, they fly. Shut up.
Oh my God! You killed Ray Romano!
Oh, we're gonna get you!
I'm
gonna get you!
Get him!
Get him!
I'm out of here, sleep shit!
It's coming!
He's gaining us! Marc! No! No!
For Narnia and for Aslan!
You've done it, Marc. You've done it. Wait, 180 degrees. It's revolving and coming back.
I'm just glad I never had any children.
Marc, I never even got to tell you. You got my wife pregnant. She's so happy. He's dead. Oh my God, a bird! Race is mine! Go to the jungle! Nicholas Tesla! The hell's happening? Oh God! I never thought I was gonna get out of there alive. I thought I was gonna be like Ray Romano. Oh Jesus! Ah! The bird's in the car! I'm probably gonna crash! Ah!